Welcome back to Maths Online class. I am your maths teacher, Mr. C.P. Varet. Okay, we have started chapter trigonometric identities for the class 10th, for the board class, and that's why it is going to be very crucial chapter for your performance. Okay, and so many marks. Okay, so many marks you will get from this particular chapter, and that's why see here. And in my last lecture, we have talked about the some of the basic identities which are actually based on the complementary angles theorem. What are the complementary angles? And meaning is that the sum of the two angles, if they are representing the 90 degree, addition is representing the 90 degree, so it is known as pair of the complementary angles. So we have seen six basic formulas. What were these? First was the sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. After that, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. There is a relation in between sin and cos. Same like that, there is a relation in between cos and there is a relation in between tan and cot. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Same like that, there is a relation in between cosec and sec. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Right now, see what kind of the questions are there. It is very easy. You need not to explain more also. See here, first question, cos 37 upon sin 53. What is the identity? I am knowing that cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Is it okay? Yes. Same thing I have told you, I have explained it. Right now, see this cos 37. It can be write down sin 90 minus 37. According to the basic identity, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So this is the cos 37. In the place of theta, 37 has been written. So this could be written as sin 90 minus 37. Nothing else. After that, this question is going to be very easy. These all are the angles. These all are the angles. See here, if you subtract 37 from 90, so see, you will get the same thing. Sin 53 on the numerator, sin 53 on the denominator. Going to be cancelled, and what is the answer? Answer is equal to 1. Very easy. This is the very easiest problem. Same like that, concentrate on the second question. 10 upon 1080. Okay, actually I think this question is little wrong. It should be cot 80. Okay, actually this question should be cot 80. 10 upon cot 80. Right now, see, according to the basic identity, what is the identity? Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. This we are knowing that. Yes, by applying that particular identity tan, it could be written as in form of cot 90 minus theta, and what is the value of theta here? 10 degree upon cot 80, same to same. Meaning is that either you can replace, for example, here I have filled the values of cos 37. If somebody wants, so you will keep the cos 37 same as, and you can change the value of sin 53. That sin 53, it could be also written in form of cos. So either you can change the denominator in form of cos, either you can change the numerator in form of sin. Same like that, here I am changing the numerator in form of cot. Either even you can also change the cot theta in form of the tan 90 minus theta. So there are the two choices for you. So no problem, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus 10 upon cot 80. And you can see this is also converted in form of cot 80 upon cot 80. Both are same to same, cancel, and answer is coming 1. Right now, concentrate on the third question. See here, sin 36 upon cos 54. No problem, again I am changing. Right now I am not going to write down the formulas again and again. Directly I am going to solve. See here how. That sin 36, it could be written as in form of cos 90 minus 36 upon denominator same. One thing you have to remember, either you have to replace the numerator in form of cos or sin, either you have to replace the denominator in form of cos and sin. No need to change both the things. दोनों चीजों को चेंज नहीं करना है. Only you have to change only one thing, so that both the angles, it should be in form of cos. Both the angles, either it should be in form of sin, either it should be in form of tan, either it should be in form of cot. Again, see sin 54 I am going to change. So it is going to be cos 90 minus 54. Both are the degrees. No problem. I have not put the degrees. You can understand both all are degrees. Upon cos 36 degree. Right now see cos 90 minus 36. It will give you cos 54 degree upon cos 54 degree. After that here you can see cos 90 minus 54. If you will do, it will come again 36 degree upon cos 36 degree. From here you can understand this is going to be cancelled, this is going to be cancelled, one time, so answer is coming 1 minus 1 and final answer is equal to 0. So see how much easy this kind of the questions are. Only nothing, we have to just learn the relations. There is a relation in between sine and cos. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. And one thing you have to remember while solving the question, only you have to change the one sign. Always the question will be in form of sine upon cos, in form of tan upon cot, in form of cosec upon sec. So only you have to change only one thing. Either the numerator you will change in form of the another. Okay, so what happens generally in such kind of the questions, both the numerator and denominator, both the things, it should be always given you in form of tan and cot, in form of sine and cos, in form of cosec and sec. So they just come in the relation, and after that you can cancel the things and you can get the answer. Right now see some more questions. I am going to rub the board. Question number 4. What is the question number 4 here? Look, concentrate. Question number 4 is that sine theta and cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta sine 90 minus theta. Right now see the things. We are knowing the solution. We are knowing the basic identities. What are the basic identities beta? Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta and cos 90 minus theta. Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta and sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. These are the basic identities. Right now we will fill the values. Sine theta is equal to same sine theta and that cos 90 minus theta, that you can write down sine theta. So sine theta into sine theta. No need to put the into sign, you will just put that dot, plus cos theta is cos theta and that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Dot you can put here. Okay, it is a theta, it is not a cube. Right now sine theta into sine theta, it will give you sine square theta and cos theta into cos theta, it will give you cos square theta. Right now you can understand sine square theta plus cos square theta. Already it is an identity and its value is 1. That we have understood, that we have studied in the previous previous chapter. Okay, so sine square theta plus cos square theta, its value is 1. So this is the solution. Right now come to solve for the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Look here. Sine 35 upon cos 55 degree square plus cos 55 upon sine 35, both are in degrees square, minus 2 cos 60. Right now see the things. Again the same formula will come to in the focus. Sine 35 and cos 55 both are complementary to each other. Again same thing is written in form of the reciprocal, no effect. This is going to be cancelled. Look here how. I am going to change sine 35 in form of cos. So I will take help the big bracket. Okay. So cos 90 minus theta. Sine theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. So sine 35 cos 90 minus 35. Both are in degrees. And after that square I will put outside. No problem. Upon cos 55 degree square. Plus again big bracket I can take help. Cos 55 it could be written as sine 90 minus theta means sine 90 minus 55 degree. Square same, sine 35 on the denominator. Minus 2 cos 60. Right now fill the value. What is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 value is 1 upon 2. So that 2 and 2 it is going to be cancelled from here. Right now see cos 90 minus 35. It will give me the cos 55 in the numerator side. Upon denominator it is also same, cos 55 square plus if you will solve this, again it is going to give me sine 90 minus 55. If you will resolve it, it is coming in form of the sine 35 upon denominator same, sine 35 square same, minus this is going to be 1. Right now see, this and this both are same, so I can cancel it. Right now 1 square plus 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1, and after that 2 minus 1, final answer is coming 1. So this is the solution. So nothing, these kind of the questions are very easy, no logic, no at all. Only you have to just replace the values, sine values in form of cos value in form of sine, tan value in form of cot value in form of tan, same like that cosec value in form of the sec 90 minus something, and sec something is given, so you can change it cosec 90 minus something, and after that the things will be very clear for you. Some other identities will also come into the role, like sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, like that, so that you can do. So these are some of the questions, some of the easiest question. In the next part, in the next time, we will solve some difficult question based upon the complementary angles. Thank you so much.